Hello everybody, I'm Jude and this is Lammy and together we are Little Lamb Tales. Welcome to our next edition of Storytime, and remember, if you like what you see you can always tweet about it or follow us on Facebook. Right, this week's story is about a special occasion that's happening all this week, and tomorrow is Bonfire Night, so we're going to have a story about that. And also this story helps cheer up Lammy because at this time of year, he gets very miserable. Very sulky. So here we go. It's called Bonfire Night. Are you ready, Lammy? There we go. Get nice and comfy. Lammy is in a bit of a nark. The clocks have gone back and it's gloomy and dark. It makes him want to stay in bed and pull the covers right over his head. I hate the dark and miserable nights. I miss the long days and the bright sunlight. And it's getting much colder now. I need my thick coat when I go out. I've had an idea, Ted said. This will make you get out of bed. There'll be some fireworks at Sefton Park tonight at 7 when it's nice and dark. I'm not going out in the dark, Lammy said. I don't really like your idea, Ted. Trust me, you'll love the pretty lights. There's going to be fireworks for Bonfire Night. We'll need to wrap up in coats, gloves and hats and boots on our feet for the muddy paths. At 6:30 they are ready to leave. They lock the door and pocket the key. They arrive at the park and follow the crowd over the paths and the muddy ground. Soon they arrive at the fireworks site. It's nice and still, a perfect night. The fireman bends down with the fuse in his hand, lights the fireworks and moves back to safe ground. Crackle, pop, bang and whiz, wee, whoosh, sizzle and hiss. They light up the sky one after another, filling the park with plenty of colour. Gorgeous colours, green, gold and blue, silver, red and purple too. As the fireworks shine down on Sefton Park, Lammy forgets about hating the dark. It might be cold and gloomy at night, but the fireworks are wonderful, colourful and bright. Lammy and Ted walk home through the crowd, over the paths and the muddy ground. Thank you, Ted, for making me come. I'm sorry I've been so moody and glum. And now if I start to moan about the dark, I'll remember this night in Sefton Park. The end. And now as a special treat, we're going to have a bit of a sing-song. You might know this song. If you do, please join in. Are we ready? It goes like this. It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. Can you hear the Catherine wheels? Listen to the sound. It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. Can you hear the bangers? Listen to the sound. It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. Can you hear the rockets? Listen to the sound. It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. Happy bonfire night, everybody. Remember, stay safe and with your grown-ups, and we'll see you next time. Bye!